Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Afrikaans Slang. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to identify some Afrikaans slang words. There will be no revision or word list for this lesson. Braai, braai, braai. Barbecue. Bakkie, bakkie. Pickup truck. Jol, jol. Party. It can mean to party or just to have a great time with friends and so on. Dop, dop. Alcoholic drink. Note that dop can also mean to fail. For example, I dopped the test. Biltong, biltong. Dried meat with salt and spices. Slap chips, slap chips. Fries. Robot, robot, which is also known as a verkeerslig, verkeerslig. And a robot or verkeerslig is a traffic light. But a robot can also refer to a machine that can perform certain functions. So, in other words, a robot. Lekker, lekker. This word can have a lot of meanings. It can mean great, sweet, tasty, delicious, amazing, and so forth. Basically, if an activity or something you are eating is really good, then you can use the word lekker. Bro, bro, which is an informal way to say brother, but in this case it doesn't necessarily refer to a blood brother, but rather it refers to a friend. And words that are similar are broer or bra. Who's it? Who's it? How are you? Gaan bos, gaan bos. And it means to go crazy, but in a fun way. For example, if you're at a dinner and you're really enjoying the food and you ask for seconds and someone tells you gaan bos, it means go ahead, take as much seconds as you want, gaan bos, go crazy. Smaak dit stikkend, smaak dit stikkend. Love it to bits. When speaking normally, smaak means taste, but in this context where we are learning about slang, it means to like. So if you speak normally, hoe smaak dit? How does it taste? But speaking slang, ek smaak dit. I like it. And also in normal speech, stikkend means broken. Activiteit, activity. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at a story. And while you are reading the story, see if you can identify some new slang words that we haven't covered in this lesson. We will also have a look at your answers in the next slide. By die aquarium. Sam en sy meisie Emily stap by die aquarium in. Sam, Sjoe, wat 'n lanie plek. Emily, dis pragtig. Ek smaak dit stikkend. Sam skrik groot toe iets hom op die been klap. Sam, jo, wat was dit? Emily lag al te lekker terwyl sy 'n pikkewyn optel. Emily, ek dink hierdie pikkewyn het ontsnap. Sam, eish, maar hy is 'n skarminkel. So, the new slang words that we didn't cover in this lesson are the ones highlighted in pink, and they are lani, which means super fancy or elegant, jo, which is an exclamation of surprise, eish, which is also an exclamation, but it's similar to oh my, or oh my gosh, or oh my word. And then skarminkel, which means rascal, and in this context it refers to someone with a mischievous nature. And those words highlighted in green is those we've already covered in this lesson. So, ek smaak dit stikkend, I love it to bits, and lekker, which can mean nice, wonderful, amazing, or any of those things. And now I'm quickly going to read this whole passage again, but just faster. Sam en sy meisie, Emily, stap by die aquarium in. Sam, sjoe, wat 'n lanie plek. Emily, dis pragtig, ek smaak dit stikkend. Sam skrik groot toe iets hom op die been klap. Sam, joh, wat was dit? Emily lag al te lekker terwyl sy 'n pikkewyn optel. Emily, ek dink hierdie pikkewyn het ontsnap. Sam, eish, maar hy is 'n skarminkel. And now for the English version, Engelse weergawe. At the aquarium. Sam and his girlfriend, Emily, enters the aquarium. Sam, wow, what a fancy place. Emily, it's beautiful, I love it to bits. Sam gets a big fright when something hits him on the leg. Sam, oh my gosh, what was that? Emily laughs abundantly while she picks up a penguin. Emily, I think this penguin escaped. Sam, oh my, what a rascal he is. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.